Discover game-changing machines that can revolutionize your business. In this video, we showcase cutting-edge equipment designed to boost productivity, reduce costs, and meet the demands of modern industries. From biodegradable food box machines to CNC milling robots. Stay tuned to find out which one is perfect for you. Biodegradable lunchbox forming machine. The automatic paper lunchbox machine is designed to streamline your production, offering a fast and efficient solution for creating high-quality, eco-friendly food containers. The automatic forming capability streamlines the folding and shaping process, significantly reducing manual labor while enhancing production accuracy. With a production speed of 20 to 40 boxes per minute, it meets the needs of medium-scale manufacturers looking for cost-effective and scalable packaging solutions. As sustainability takes center stage in the food packaging industry, this machine offers a golden opportunity to tap into the growing demand for eco-friendly packaging solutions. With impressive production speeds, this machine ensures you can keep up with high-volume orders without compromising on consistency. Priced between $6,000 and $10,000. It's perfect for starting a business in the food packaging sector or scaling your existing operations, providing you with the tools to meet the increasing consumer demand for eco-conscious packaging solutions. Automatic letter bending machine. Take your signage manufacturing to the next level with the automatic aluminum letter bender machine, the perfect tool for creating precise and professional 3D channel letters. Engineered for efficiency, this fully automated machine handles feeding, bending, and slotting tasks with ease, eliminating the need for labor-intensive manual processes. Perfect for manufacturers looking to scale or enter the signage industry, this machine supports a wide range of materials and custom designs. Built for efficiency and accuracy, this machine brings versatility to your production line, making it ideal for creating modern, professional-grade signage that grabs attention. With a price range between $2,000 and $10,000, it delivers exceptional value for its capabilities. Mochi making machine. This machine is designed to automate the process of making mochi, offering businesses a highly efficient way to produce consistent, high-quality products. This machine streamlines production by controlling the shaping, filling, and size of each piece, ensuring uniformity across large batches. Its energy-efficient design helps businesses reduce operational costs, while its durable construction ensures long-term use with minimal maintenance. Ideal for the food manufacturing, bakery, and confectionery industries, the machine is perfect for companies looking to scale their production without compromising quality. With its automated features, it reduces the need for manual labor, improving overall efficiency and lowering labor costs. Priced at $4,500 to $9,500, it's an investment in consistency, speed, and the ability to meet growing customer demand for this beloved Japanese treat. Handheld laser cleaning machine. The laser cleaning machine delivers precision and efficiency for a variety of cleaning applications, making it a versatile tool for metal-related industries. Utilizing advanced fiber laser technology, this multifunctional system can effectively remove rust, oil, and paint from materials such as stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, wood, and stone. The non-contact cleaning process ensures the integrity of the underlying surface, making it ideal for delicate or high-value components. Built with durability in mind, the machine features a water chiller cooling system and a handheld laser head for easy operation. The compact design and lightweight build make it portable and user-friendly, while the robust Max laser source ensures consistent performance. Priced around $3,000 to $10,000, depending on laser power, this machine is a cost-effective solution for achieving superior cleaning results with minimal environmental impact. Factory cotton towel making. Transforming raw materials into premium quality towels with unmatched efficiency, the factory cotton towel machine is a cornerstone for textile production facilities. Designed for high-speed performance, it boasts production capacities ranging from 70 to 110 pieces per minute, accommodating various operational demands. Its advanced automation ensures consistent output with minimal waste, allowing businesses to scale production without sacrificing quality. Built with durable components and user-friendly controls, it supports seamless operation even in high-volume settings. With a price range starting at $70,000, this machine represents a significant investment in efficiency, reliability, and the ability to meet growing market demands. Log splitting machine. The log splitting machine is an essential tool for industries requiring efficient wood processing. Designed to handle logs of varying sizes, This machine delivers consistent performance with minimal effort, significantly reducing the time and labor required for splitting. Its robust construction ensures durability and long-term reliability, even under heavy use in demanding environments. Equipped with powerful hydraulic systems, it provides smooth and precise operation, making it ideal for firewood suppliers, forestry operations, and sawmills. Typically priced between $3,000 and $8,000. The industrial log splitting machine takes efficiency a step further. It features a more powerful hydraulic system and robust construction, designed for large-scale operations where higher capacity and increased durability are essential. Both models reduce time and labor in tasks like firewood splitting and lumber preparation, offering businesses an effective solution for enhancing productivity. Label die cutting machine. The compact machine offers exceptional precision and efficiency, making it a valuable tool for businesses in label manufacturing, packaging, and signage production. With a high production capacity and fast cutting speeds, this machine is designed to handle large volumes while maintaining accuracy and consistency. Its advanced digital controls and robust construction ensure smooth operation, even during intensive use. Compact and user-friendly, it integrates seamlessly into various production environments, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Typically priced between $1,500 to $2,000 for a basic model, it represents a cost-effective solution for businesses seeking to enhance their cutting capabilities. Elastic band making machine. This machine is an advanced solution for producing high-quality elastic bands, fabric straps, and underwear belts efficiently and precisely. Featuring computerized jackwood loom technology and a robust knitting method, it ensures consistent weaving and intricate patterns, making it ideal for diverse applications in the textile and garment industries. With a production capacity of up to 1.5 meters per minute, this machine handles high-volume demands while maintaining superior quality. Built with durable components such as motors, gears, and bearings, it delivers reliable performance even during continuous operation. Priced competitively between $6,000 and $15,000, it delivers premium elastic products. Automatic cake cup making machine. The cake cup making machine offers an innovative approach to producing disposable paper muffins and baking cups quickly and precisely. Designed to streamline production, this machine efficiently folds and forms paper into perfectly shaped baking cups, ensuring consistency and quality with every batch. Its high production capacity makes it an excellent choice for bakeries, food manufacturers, and packaging suppliers aiming to scale their operations. Built with durable materials and powered by a reliable motor, this machine is engineered for long-term performance in demanding environments. The machine price is around $4,000 to $5,000. Clay cup forming machine. The clay cup making machine transforms raw materials into elegant ceramic creations, offering a versatile solution for crafting a variety of cup designs. By setting different molds, this machine enables the production of unique ceramic tableware, from mugs to teacups, tailored to diverse needs. After molding, the clay pieces are fired and ready for glazing or painting to achieve personalized and intricate designs. Designed for efficiency and creativity, it is perfect for artisans, small-scale manufacturers, and businesses seeking to deliver customized ceramic products. Combining ease of use with reliable performance, this machine provides a seamless process for turning clay into beautifully finished tableware, making it a valuable asset for ceramic production. Micro excavator. This sliding loader mini excavator. It is a compact yet powerful solution for garden maintenance, agricultural tasks, and small-scale construction projects. Designed for versatility and efficiency, it excels in tasks such as digging, loading, and material handling. With its lightweight build and high operating efficiency, this machine is perfect for maneuvering in tight spaces without compromising on performance. Combining functionality with affordability, this loader is an excellent investment for small businesses and individual contractors, priced around $3,000. CNC Sculpture Robot Arm Milling Machine. The robotic CNC milling machine is a revolutionary tool that blends the precision of CNC machining with the flexibility of robotic technology. Perfectly suited for crafting intricate designs, this machine uses an advanced robotic arm to sculpt and mill a wide range of materials, from stone to wood and composites. The result is unparalleled accuracy and smooth, detailed finishes. Paired with a rotary table for dynamic positioning, best suited for both small and large-scale projects. Manual heat sealer. Using a heat sealer, you can easily and efficiently seal bags, pouches, and films to protect your products. This tool allows you to create airtight seals, preserving the freshness of food, electronics, or any other product that requires secure packaging. You can adjust the heat and pressure settings to suit different materials, ensuring a perfect seal every time. With a manual operation, you have full control over the sealing process, which means you can adapt to various production needs, whether for small batches or custom-sized packaging. Plus, with its compact size and straightforward operation, you can quickly integrate the heat sealer into your workspace without needing complex training or setup. Prices can vary, starting at around $50 for smaller units. Portable Instant Photo Printer. The portable photo printer is a fantastic tool for creative entrepreneurs looking to generate income. This compact device can be used to offer instant photo printing services at events like weddings, parties, or corporate functions, where guests will gladly pay for personalized keepsakes. It's also perfect for crafting unique merchandise such as photo magnets, postcards, or bookmarks, which can be sold online or at local markets as trendy, personalized gifts. For tourism hotspots, this printer is an excellent way to offer on-the-spot souvenirs, providing visitors with tangible memories of their trips. Priced affordably between $100 and $200, this printer is not only a budget-friendly investment, but also a portable tool for generating income. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope today's content brought you value and sparked some fresh ideas. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights to drive your entrepreneurial journey forward. Let's keep pushing boundaries, innovating, and turning our goals into reality.